Hello everybody, After here, back on my Minecraft video, let me redo that. Hello everybody, After here, back with I'm just gonna say it slowly. Hello everybody, After here, back with another Minecraft video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can quickly and easily create mountains. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and slap the bell for notifications so you don't miss other videos like this. Also leave a like on the video if you want me to do this again. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so first you're gonna want to have cheats on, and you're gonna want to have show coordinates on. Those are the two things you need, and you also need to be in creative mode. So once you have those things on, you can start with the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is say /give@s command block. And the reason why we're doing that is because you want to give yourself a command block, and you're gonna need a command block for this. You're probably thinking, oh wait, won't you need a mod to create this? No, you won't. This is completely vanilla, works in 1.16, works on Pocket Edition. I have no idea if it works on Java. It should. I don't know. I haven't tested. Okay, so first off, you're gonna want to place down your command block. And with this command block, you're going to do execute. Yes, execute, because that's like the command for running commands for a specific person, or a specific thing. We're going to do execute at E, and then bracket thingy, type equals snowball. And the reason why we're saying type equals snowball is because we want to be able to use snowballs for this. If we don't have that there, then this will work for every single entity in the game, because at E means all entities. Type tilde space tilde space tilde, or tilde. I say tilde, whatever. You can do these up bracket thingies, but I like doing tilde. I'm used to it. I don't know what the up bracket thingies do. I think it's the same thing. Now that we're here, we're going to say clone. And the reason, I'll just explain what we just did. Now, the tilde 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 part is like, which position do you want this to happen? So if you're going to do /set block, you could say which place do you want the block to be placed, and then you just have to do /set block tilde space tilde space tilde, and then it would just set the block where, you know what, it's confusing. I'll explain it later. But anyways, what we want to do now is we've put clone down. We're gonna do more quickly. 1 second. Okay, so let me get back to this. So I stopped at clone right here, see? There's still more to the command, but what I'm gonna do is we need something to clone. Now, what do we need to clone? Well, we need to clone our mountain. Bruh. But I'm not gonna spend time building a whole mountain. So here's what we can do. We can just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make a 5x5 box, and then this is going to be a circular shape, somewhat circular. And then we just add these little thingies on the edge. I don't even know what these are called. Just make it into a Minecraft circle. Then after that, what you're going to want to do is just repeat the process, but make it get smaller and smaller each and every time. Anyways, we have a thing. I don't even know what this is. You know what? I'm gonna terraform it a bit. This is probably gonna be a Cineformers vid anyways. Here we go. What is going to be our mountain is this. And then we're just gonna have another 5x5 box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's 5x5. And what we're gonna do with this 5x5 is we're just gonna make it a solid block. Just a solid block, to be honest. This will be made to fill up the inside of our mountain. If you're catching on to this already, then good job, perfect. And if you aren't, let me tell you what we're gonna do. You can either continue watching till the end, or you can be like, oh, cool, and then start making it in Minecraft. I'll probably leave a command in the description anyways, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna clone these two objects. Now, how do we do that? Simple. The reason why we're gonna get the coordinates of these, and that's why I told you to turn on show coordinates. You're gonna stand right here on this corner, and the coordinates are -15, 4, -22 for me. And now we just have to type that in. So -15, 4, -22. And then we go to the other corner. This should be about 6 blocks tall. Nope, 7 blocks. And then this is -9, 28. -9, 7, -28. Perfect. Now we just have to put that here. -9, 7, was it -28? It was -28. Yeah, it was -28. And now after this, we're going to go into our command block and we're going to type. So basically, this is the starting coordinates and the ending coordinates to clone. Then you want to clone at a destination. So then you do tilde space tilde -1 space tilde. What does that mean? Tilde is basically the exact coordinate of the object or the player or the entity. So wherever you're standing in Minecraft, and you just type set block tilde space tilde, it'll set a block in that position that you're in. Now, Minecraft measures the Y tilde at where your feet are, but we're not really worrying about that. Anyways, what next? So the reason why we said -1 is because if we do a regular tilde, it'll interfere with the snowball when we throw it, and that's not a good thing. So we did tilde -1. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna type masked. I have no idea why we're typing this. I just did it. So we've typed everything. We want to turn it on repeat like I did here and turn it from endpos to repeat. Condition is fine. Redstone, change that to always active. The reason why is that so that every time we throw a snowball, this happens. We don't want it to just happen once and then never happen again. You can make it need redstone, but I like doing always active. Now what you're gonna want to do is /game rule command block output false. That won't stop the command block from running. It'll just stop all the command messages from flooding your chat. Now, let's get a snowball. And here's what happens. Voila, that's what happens. Creates a huge trail, and you can actually make mountains with this. It's a really cool thing that I figured out. I actually saw another thing about this, and then I just saw clone, and I'm like, this actually might work. So then I went and I tested it myself, and it worked. So I'm like, I want to share this with you guys. So if you just do that a couple times, you can actually like get it to connect, just like that. See? So it works. It even goes uphill, by the way. Oh, you actually have to be in range of the command block. I forgot. Ah! There we go. It works now. Okay, there we go. See? We can actually set our own custom radius by just saying, like, if we go over here and we just put a comma, and then we just say r equals, and then a random number, it'll work. Why are there endermen in my world? Get away. Eat grass and stuff, whatever. Anyways, we can basically just go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing, but with the other one that we've made to like fill in the gap over here. But this is technically all that we have to do for this. So I'll see you in the next one. I'm just gonna time lapse me doing the other one, and then I'll do the outro and call it a day. Okay, so I did the same thing but with eggs. And now if we go ahead and we actually get an egg, it's in nature, I'm pretty sure. Regular eggs? Are regular eggs in nature? Yes, they are. Perfect. Let's get one. Let's see what happens. There we go. It works. So, as you can see, that's how the whole thing works. That's how the whole shenanigan works. And that is all that I have for today. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye!